Welcome back, welcome back. It's the DMV Weave Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland, honey. And today, we are going to be talking about some more heavy metals, okay? I know I get so many inquiries and people asking me about how to detox, okay? And this is a quick detox tip. And actually, and this is imperative to our future. One of these detox tips, because a lot of people are suffering now from Alzheimer's and different type of nervous conditions. And so this is how you can start detoxing your body today. You see this bottle? You see how easy I did that? And the reason why I threw that bottle on the ground somewhere is because I want to let you know how bad and how harmful aluminum can be to your body. Okay? So that's one tip. And a lot of times, because of a lot of people are getting aluminum toxicity because they are cooking with aluminum cookware. They're using aluminum foil. That's one of the no-nos. You should not be doing that. Okay? Also, you should not be so we hit on that. If you do drink alcohol, which we really suggest you not, definitely avoid drinking out of aluminum, the cans. It's best to try to drink it out of bottles, the glass bottles that it comes in. I don't even know if it comes in plastic right now, because I had to give up drinking alcohols minty years ago. Yeah, so anyway, you need to make sure that you throw away all of your alcohol canned products, and also soda, because the main thing is that acid is what is leaching the aluminum in a lot of these products, and so you're getting an excess amount. And child, I've been looking like I'm over there, like related to some of the black Syrians, okay? And this is because of this pandemic, those wigs and that protective gear and these masks and the heat from the flat irons, I just can't take it. This is very easy and simple way for me to just put this little hat on or a little scarf on and keep it moving, okay? So yeah, anyway, you want to stay away from the soda pop, the sodas, because you're going to be leaching a lot of aluminum into your system. And that's one of the main issues with Alzheimer's. There are many other conditions too. A lot of neurological conditions are caused from aluminum buildup and forgetfulness and things like that. So that's one tip to how to detox. You don't have to take a pill, honey, for everything. Some things you can just naturally just kick out your system, just like how I did that aluminum. I threw it over there. And this is one more tip today also concerning, dealing with aluminum. Because we are on we'd like to endorse the mineral balancing programs. And a lot of people, there's some studies that have been shown that anytime that you're raising some of the iron and calcium levels in the body, it can help to reduce Alzheimer's or having aluminum toxicity. And there's been studies with people that got I don't know if they did any type of surgery on their brain, or maybe it was after the person passed, but they were able to see in the individuals that were beginning to develop Alzheimer's in their brain, they began to have iron deposits in their brain. That just shows you, and iron is an antagonist of aluminum, which means it helps to stop it from absorbing, and it kind of draws it out from your system. So that just shows you the importance of getting your different mineral levels in check today. Don't wait till you're 75 years old and you're forgetting everything. Or it was this one lady, don't forget, it was one, her husband will never forget. He always forget everything. He forget their wedding anniversary. He forget the car, the keys. It just was getting ridiculous. And so that's why we want to make sure that we stop our different health conditions before they begin, and just try to strive to live a healthy and toxic free life. All right, those are all our tips for today. The Weave Doctor is gonna check back in with you later. All right. Bye.